to everyone. Myself Vaishnavi from 10th standard. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy National Science Day. Today, I would like to make you knowledge about National Science Day and Sir C.V. Raman, who is a great Indian physicist. Sir C.V. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency, British India. He was a great Indian physicist and discovered the Raman effect, also known as scattering of light, and he won a Nobel Prize for it in 1930. Raman is known for his significant contributions in dielectrics, photoelectricity, Raman effect, and scattering of light. Every year on 28 February, we celebrate as National Science Day. National Science Day is a day where people learn about science and children are excited to move towards the science and what they have to do in future. The main objective to learn and to celebrate science is to aware the people about the day-to-day life theories, applications, accomplishments and efforts of the great Indian physicists. Thank you.
I am a science one student. I am here to succeed. I am a proactive, I am a good leader, I seek out opportunities and I make positive things happen. I am committed to make my success happen. I am focused, determined and success bound. This is my time. I will accept nothing less than success. That is why I am a science bound student. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. This is Saushalya and Soumya from 10th standard. First, we wish you a happy National Science Day to all. Now, we are here to tell the first 30 elements with their uses. Hydrogen in suns and stars, helium in balloons, lithium in batteries, beryllium in emeralds, boron in sports equipments, carbon in basis of life's molecules, nitrogen in protein, oxygen in air, fluorine in toothpaste, neon in advertising signs, sodium in salt, magnesium in chlorophyll, aluminium in airplanes, silicon in stones, phosphorus in bone.
Sulfur in eggs, chlorine in swimming pools, argon in light bulbs, potassium in fruits and vegetables, calcium in shells and bones, scandium in bicycles, titanium in aerospace, vanadium in springs, chromium in stainless steel, manganese in earth movers, iron in steel structures, cobalt in magnets, nickel in coins, copper in electric wires, zinc in brass instruments. Thank you. Once again, happy National Science Day to all.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. First of all, a very happy National Science Day to all. Now I am here to say about the objectives of National Science Day in day-to-day life of the people. National Science is celebrated to spread a message about the importance of science in day-to-day life of the people. To display all activities, efforts, achievements for the welfare of the people. It is celebrated to discuss all the issues and to implement new technologies for the development in the field of science. To give an opportunity to the scientific-minded citizen in India, to encourage people and to popularize science and technology. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. First of all, happy National Science Day to all. Myself, Lasya from 10th standard. Now I would like to say science technology updates. China successfully launched China satellite 10 from Xichang. The satellite launched abroad a long march 3B rocket from Xichang Satellite Launch Center. First astronaut with disability cleared for ISS missions. ISRO develops first propellant mixer. ISRO Chairman V. Narayan reveals space roads for next 10 years. Microsoft has introduced Magma, a groundbreaking multimodal or model capable of understanding both language and images. Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. Myself, Bhavya from 10th standard. Now I wish you all a very happy Science Day. Photonics is the science controlling the light. Light is a form of energy which gives a sensation of vision or sight. Now I would like to share some of my knowledge about light and its phenomena. Reflection is a phenomenon of light which is responsible for the formation of images on the mirrors. Refraction of light is a phenomenon which is responsible for the formation of images in our eye and twinkling of stars. Dispersion is a phenomenon of light which is responsible for the formation of colorful rainbow.
Scattering of light is a phenomenon which is responsible for the vast blue color of sky. Polarization is a phenomenon which is responsible to reduce the glare of sunlight, which is used in the process of sunglasses. Thank you.